Custom Car Care.
When most people think of alignments, they consider the positioning of their steering wheel in their vehicle, or they think of a pull or a push to one side while you're driving at higher speeds. But your alignment might be out and none of those things could be going on. And in reality, you're doing long-term wear and tear on the rubber, on the suspension, on the tires as they're hitting the road. And you don't know it until you have someone do a proper alignment check. That's one of the reasons that when people buy tires here at A-1, we perform an alignment check for free, and we also run specials where we'll offer a free alignment check with an oil change. Because keeping your vehicle properly aligned is one of the key components to reducing wear and tear.
Your complete car care solution. A-1 Custom Car Care. A-1 Custom Car Care.